What's up guys, today I'm making popcorn on my own and it is butter flavored. If you want to see how I cook, watch until the video. And now let's get started. Yo. So first you need to heat up your gas. I'm doing it like on 8 for being it more fast heat up. And now you have to wait for it to heat. So let's wait for at least 5 minutes. And then we will have to put all of this. So now my this vessel has been heat up. I have an electric gas, so it takes 5 minutes. If you have a normal, then it will take 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna cut this. It depends on how much you want, and you also have to put oil in it. I forgot to mention. And this one, there's already oil ready made. Be very careful when opening this one. See? This is now how it looks. And now you need to put it inside very fast. You need to put everything out properly in order for all of it to be cooked. Okay, I'm done putting everything. And now you need to move it. And now cover it up. So now wait for it to pop and then remove the cover. When you get good smell of popcorn, then it means it has been done. So now let's see and let's wait. Now see how are they cooking, and now some of them has already started popping. Now everything is gonna pop really fast. Now see how this is popping. It's like 100 meteors coming showering up from the sky, but from the ground. And in maximum 2 minutes, your popcorn can be ready. So in 2 minutes, I will take the cover off, but you should not remove it when it is still popping. Otherwise, you might get hit it on your eye or anywhere on your body part, and it's very hot. And I highly recommend you not to remove that while cooking. And now my popcorn is ready. So you have to first take it off the gas very carefully. And move it like this, so the bottom of this will be a little trill down. So now I'm gonna remove it, move back. Stay a little back from it because they are now it is ready, so I'm gonna shift it very carefully inside. You can take any instrument with help also. It's too much. So
hey guys, I'm so happy that Vikram made butter popcorn and we're gonna eat it.
And this is super tasty, and now I'm gonna make him taste it. He's gonna be my taster, and he's already very hungry. And he says it's very good. So with this, now I'm gonna end my vlog here.
Bye guys, don't forget to do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, tata, see you.